Welcome everybody to Carol's art room. I am going to do a bloom today with my new favorite color. I mean, my favorite colors were turquoises and blues, but I just love this phthalo turquoise that I haven't used for a long time. Beautiful. And this is pretty too. This is where's my lid? Where's my lid? PEBEO blue green and deep turquoise by Winsor and Newton. So I'm going to put this one down first. And then I'll put I got some yellow green by PEBEO, which I love also. Then I'm going to put the turquoise, deep turquoise. Actually, phthalo turquoise. I got some macaw, this little pea macaw. And it looks really good if you put it on a dark color like this dark blue turquoise. And I'm going to put gold on top. Oh, I didn't put gold in my last one. Oh, I didn't want to put gold. Oh, well. I did a swipe in these colors and I didn't add gold. I was going to do the same. Oh, the gold will be fine. Well, I got a little bit of gold cell activator left. I may as well use it up. See what this looks like. I think I might use my straw this time. Wow. I guess it's very similar to using your breath, which I've tried and tried and I just can't get the breath. And there's the gold. It looks pretty. Let the middle come back. These look more like petals. That's very pretty. Okay, let's spin it out and see what we got. Oh, the gold does look nice. Middle I'm not happy with, but it's pretty, pretty, pretty. I love that turquoise. Don't have this centered very well. There. I think this is pretty good now. A lot of this side came off. bright that black up a little bit. That is gorgeous, just gorgeous. Look at this. Oh, I love it. Okay, I'm not going to spin it anymore. Thanks for watching. Oh, goodness. Have a great day, everybody. Come back to Carol's art room. You know, it's very much lighter when I look at it rather than in the camera. I don't know why. It looks darker to you guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Please subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications. Comment below. Give me a thumbs up. That would be awesome. Thank you. Bye. Hi everyone. Here's my dry tile. It's nice and shiny. It dried pretty good. It's smooth. There you go, the gold and the blue and the green are nice. There you go. Thanks for watching and have a great day.